everyone, this is Surbhi from Digification. Today we'll see how we can get more followers by putting an Instagram profile visit campaign through Ads Manager. Go to Ads Manager, create. Here we'll choose objective as traffic. And here you can see in traffic we have Instagram profile visits. Unlike Facebook where you have directly page like button, here it will be visit Instagram profile and then somebody can choose whether to follow or not. So we'll go to create manual traffic campaign. You could also do the recommended one where you are taking advantage plus audience, let's say. You can put a campaign name. For example, I'm putting up here Instagram profile visit. And you can select specific settings here. Now you can see that what is your conversion location here. So we don't want to send traffic to the website, rather than we want to send traffic to our Instagram or Facebook page. So here I'm choosing Instagram. And you could see maximum number of Instagram profile and Facebook page visits. Now here I'm removing Facebook because I just want on Instagram, and then you can see it's only Instagram now. Scroll down, set your budget. Here I'm setting as budget for 1,000 rupees. And you can work on the schedule where you want to put in the dates, everything here. This you can change it later on. You can create your audience here. You can just create your audience here. So here I'm going to just take a bit of audience. Let's say I'm putting India as audience for now. Go to next. Now you have the setup creative option. You could just name your ad. I'm putting up as IT profile visit ad. Setup creative, whether you want an image or video. Here I want some video. I can directly choose it from Instagram, or you could upload it. You can check that. Suppose I'm going to put one video here. And say I'm going to put a video. And next, you could just write the primary text and description. For now, I'm clicking on done. Here you could write primary text, your description, and the call to action you can see here is visit Instagram profile. On all the ads you will see visit profile, visit Instagram profile. This will send traffic to your Instagram profile, and then somebody can choose to follow.